Okay, so we are supposed to change it to data type, right? So when we click on this data type, we say okay, replace current. Okay, so this is what we have. We have some correct while we have errors for others. So that means we have to correct this. Let's look at the ship date also. Let's change data type to date. Let's replace current. We're having the same thing, error, then correct, right? So now we are going to cancel this change type. Let's return it back to what we had before. So let's look at this date column properly. You know, the normal US data format is always month, day, and year. Month, day, and year. So, but let's look at this data set we're having here. Let's look at this 15/04/17. This actually implies that on the 15th day of, because we don't have any month that is 15, right? So this is actually the day, the month, and the year. And also this 22, since we don't have any month number that is 22, so it implies that this is actually day, month, and year. And it is not supposed to be so. It is supposed to be month, day, and year. Month, day, and year. So we have to correct this. So the way to correct this is to transform the format, because this data set now is in form of date, month, and year, and we have to convert it to month, day, and year. And even we are working with Microsoft Excel, you know, we can use our text to column to easily correct this. But since we are working on Microsoft PowerBi, we should also have our own way of correcting this. So now to correct this, we are going to tell this system that this date format is in form of date, month, and year, so we can have a perfect date format. So to do that, now you right click on the column header, then go to change type. You go to change type, then go to using Locale, or using it should be using Locale. So you click on this. So when you click on this, let's see what we have. So when you click on this, you see that the data type is text, which is not correct. You want to change this to date, right? So we click on date. So this is the sample input value. It says that month, day, and year. And if you are to follow this format, we are going to get error in this case. And this is the US date format. So, but if we look at, so we have to change it to, instead of having the month, day, and year, we have to change it to day, month, and year, which is the correct data type that we have here. So to do that, we are going to convert, instead of using the US data format, we are going to use the Nigerian format, because as we know, every year, everywhere we go in Nigeria, okay, when we're in school, the normal date format we used to write is the day first, then the month after, then the, even if we are writing letter or anything we want to write, that's the format we use in Nigeria. But in US it is month first, in Nigeria it is day first. So since we have identified the date column here that it is day, month, and year, which is the Nigerian format, then we can change, instead of using the US format here, we can change it to English Nigeria. So when we click on English Nigeria, you can see the sample format, which is 29, which is day, 03, which is month, and 2016, which is year. And this is the same format we have here. So we can click on OK. So when we click on OK, we see that we don't have any error in this column again. So that's how to correct the formats from month, date, and year to